Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account on PC. So deleting your Instagram account on a PC is quick and permanent. Here's how. Open your web browser and go to instagram.com. Log in to the Instagram account you want to delete. Next, go to the bottom left corner and click more. From the option, select settings. Next, on the left side, go to account center. Next, at the bottom, select manage accounts. Select the Instagram account you want to delete, then click Manage beside it. Now, from the options, select Deactivation or Deletion. So, from these two options, select Delete Account, then click Continue. So, it says here your profile information will be deleted. Click Continue. Now, in here, select a reason for deleting your account and click Continue. Click Continue again. So before you delete your account, you can export your information. Just click Export Info, then click Continue, then click Delete Account to confirm the action. So you won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. You can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Now, if you only want a break from Instagram, you can choose deactivate account instead of deleting it. This temporarily hides your profile until you log back in. And that's basically it. Super simple. Thank you for watching.